Welcome back, everyone. So, I'm loving the way yesterday's pour came out with the modified strainer, and it survived a washing, and I think it's all due to that frog tape liquid paint block edge sealer. This stuff right here, it's pretty amazing. It kept that intact. So I had somebody ask me in a comment how I modified it, and it's literally just cardboard, painter's tape, and then I sealed it with that edge block from frog tape. So that's all I did, leaving all the slots open. And yesterday's pour came out really cool, and I wanted to try it again, but this time we're going ahead a decade, and we are doing Earth, Wind, and Fire, and water, and water right there, but Earth, Wind, and Fire from the 70s, so 60s, now 70s. I know, bad joke. Anyway, we're doing another modified strainer, an encore to that today. Same size canvas, same type of canvas. It's a 12 by 12. We already got it nice and hot with the hot water, let it dry. Already pre-prepped and pre-pinned, and we're doing a black base today. So I want to try it with the black base, and instead of directly putting the paints into each section, we're going to be separating them into 4 separate cups. 1 earth colors, 1 watercolor, 1 wind, which I'm still on a Pocahontas moment there. You know, like all the colors of the wind. Don't know. So I kind of painted this one with a light blue, and then did like some silvers, and maybe I'll throw in some pearls with that one, and maybe like just light airy colors. Maybe like this hazel with that. But yeah, we'll figure that out. So, oh, and then fire. Of course, fire. And I had to decorate the cups, because that's just who I am this week. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of fill them up with earth tone colors in a time lapse. I'm not gonna name off any of the colors because that'll take too long, but most of my paints, as you know, are going to be SOHO, LUKAS CRYL, Sherwin-Williams, and Meowed, with the exception of the BLICKRYLIC brass, and I think that's it. But yeah, SOHO, oh, and COLORSHIFT. So Folk Art COLORSHIFT. So Sherwin-Williams, COLORSHIFT. SOHO and LUKAS CRYL are the brands that you need to know, and if you have questions about the colors, just ask me in the comments below and I'll let you know which one it was. But throwing this into a time lapse, filling these cups up, getting our base on here, and I will be back.
One love, y'all, because we're together. United, baby. Under one roof. Come on. In a house of sounds. It's one love, y'all. Forever and ever. We are free. We are love. We're round. We're skinny. We're big. We're small. But we have love in our heart, and we want you in, as long as you bring the love.
Okay, so now that I have the black down, a little bit of a mess, just a smidge, but it's all good. So just need to get the strainer now centered. I'm thinking of doing the same thing where I had it going out both to the corners, or going out to all 4 corners. Now I gotta keep an eye on it this time, because last time I decided to hydroplane. So maybe if I squish it down there just a smidge into the paint, try to get some of that other paint out from underneath. I don't know. That may or may not work. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it into a second time lapse now, and we're gonna start pouring the colors in and spinning it and letting it do its thing. So I'll see you guys after. and I love it. Oh my god. Like, oh, without like moving it. I want to see if I can zoom you guys in a bit. Maybe that'll help. So I played with that a little bit because it was still too chunky and I wanted it a little bit more fiery. So I kind of veined it out a little bit, made it a little bit more sharp. But that's all that COLORSHIFT black, which is kind of gold glitter to it, so it's gonna bronze out a bit. It's gonna look really cool next to that red when it is dry. But this whole section is, I'm in love. I love it. And then right along here, even though I wish this kind of continued to that corner with that blue, but can't complain because what did come out is super cool. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there we go. You can definitely see it. Flows a little bit better. Let me get a second glove on again real quick so I can lift this up and show you guys. And I want to show you guys what is going on because it's so cool. Like, without that glare there, but all the really cool cells, the colors, the way they're mixing. Take a look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, and then the golds and the browns with a little bit of that black mixing in for the earth. I'm so happy I didn't put the red next to the brown. I was thinking about it, but I love the way that's playing with the blues and the pearls and the aquas. But there we go. Now I have a big old mess to clean up, but that's okay because I had fun. Again, I'm really liking this modified strainer thing going on, and how it doesn't react like a normal strainer where it gives you a pattern. Instead you get this kind of hurricane, this kind of calamity. But it's, yeah, here we go. Earth, wind, fire, and water. There we go. But it does have a very fun vibe going on. I do like it. I'm not sure which side is up and which is down. Maybe that way. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Which way you guys like. Try to hold still for you guys for a minute. There we go. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Did you guys enjoy this? I definitely did. I can't wait to see these color shifts and these pearls and the gold when it's dry. Hit thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new and you want to see more cool things like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!